Okay, here's a quick assembly video for the Norns shield case. You should start with everything disassembled. You want to have the screen off. You want to have the pie taken apart, not mated to the bottom there. And we want to mount spacers and everything to the main shield first. So just to lay this out, I've got them kind of already set here. So you've got the sizes here is a 20 millimeter and a 15 millimeter for these bottom two corners. And then for these two up here, you've got a 16 millimeter and a 15 millimeter, and then this little spacer guy down here at the bottom. We'll get to that in a second. So first thing, let's just kind of get these mounted to the shield itself. So we're just going to add these to the corners. And as I do that, I'm going to take these screws off, just to set them aside. You can do that ahead of time if you want. Helps just to make sure you don't lose anything, just keep them together. Oops, wrong way around. And those just need to be finger tight. Oop, already lost one. Well, find that screw later. Okay, so we got those bottom two are done. Let's get these top ones together. And then take the screws off. On this bottom one, there's this little spacer, and then there's a longer 10 millimeter screw. So just set the spacer and the screw aside for a second. We'll come back to those in just a sec. On these guys, the top has got a male going through to a female, and it's the other way around on the other side. Sometimes one side of the spacer will thread a little easier than the other, so don't worry about it. Okay, so now that's kind of there, but a little bit not even yet, because we got to get the pie in there. First, though, there's two little short 8 millimeter nylon guys here. These are to support the corners of the display. So two ways you can do this. You can try to thread it through the holes here on the board itself. That's a 2 millimeter hole, so you really got to kind of crank it in there to make it work. The nylon will kind of eventually get in there. This one doesn't want to go. But the other way you can do this is just with the display, get the top two corners and just kind of press that guy through the top corner of the display. All this is just a little spacer to kind of make sure this thing doesn't flop around. So it doesn't need to be super tight. And then you could take a pair of clippers and cut off that top part of the nylon if you want to. So either way, you want to try to thread that through the bottom by that small hole, or put it through that way for the display. For the moment, I'm just going to put them on the display, and we'll come back to that in a second. So now we want to attach the pie, and then we're going to get these little spacers figured out at the bottom. So get this all lined up, push it on. So now that fits nice and clean right there. Then this is kind of going to be maybe the fun part. I don't know if fun part or not, but we're going to get these little spacers and the long screw attached first. So here's the bottom plate. That's going to match up with the slot on the SD card, and those two holes over there are going to be the ones we mount to. So the tricky part here is perhaps that we need to get these little spacers to stay in place while we kind of put this together. So these are just some laser cut pieces of acrylic material. Is much easier to do this than to try to get a 3 millimeter spacer, which are very difficult to find. So now that that's there, we're just going to kind of drop the screw in, and then hopefully we'll get this going. Hey, you know what? Totally forgot a screwdriver. Let's see if I can find one over here in the bin. There we go. Okay, so kind of drop the screw in, and you might have to kind of move it around a little bit to get it to bite. And that doesn't need to be tight or anything like that, just enough to get it to stay in place. Now you're already here, so I might as well put these these 6 millimeters on the other corner, and then the bottom is going to be kind of more or less ready to go. Don't snug everything tight just yet. Leave everything loose so it's got a little play because we're going to want to adjust things as we go. So now, bottom's on. Let's attach that display. And I'm just going to kind of snap it on there. And the way I've got this, I'm going to go ahead and clip these. Oop. Wang, hit the camera there. Way to go. I'm going to clip these off, like I said before. And that'll be, so that's flush with the display. It's nylon, don't worry about it. Okay, so now we've got the display attached, everything's cool. So now we want to put the side panels on. And I've already had these kind of laid out in place here. So this one lines up, obviously, with this side. The one in the back is going to line up with your audio jacks. Oop, I got it the wrong way around, so let's get that guy in there. Now here's where sometimes it's not going to work so good. So here's a good example. We might have to loosen those screws up and get this one on first, because looky there, it won't kind of slide in, right? So maybe I should do that first. Figuring this out as we go. And then you may have to hold the spacer in place with a fingernail or something. And maybe take this one out a little bit more. Then all right, so that makes sense? May have to loosen those screws all the way up. Just make sure you don't lose the spacer. If you do, start that all over, but start with the side piece already in place. So now we're going to tighten that back up a little bit. Okay, so now we're back here again. So let's get this one on. The rest of these should be easy because they don't have too much to bind against. I'm going to say that, and then this one will have some problems. You want to tilt it a little bit, but it shouldn't be forced anywhere, so it might just kind of tilt into place there. Then the front is this way. And so all that's just going to kind of flop around until we put the top on. So here's our top piece. You want to make sure the that guy is in place. Oh, it's going to fall off. Do it again. Maybe third time will be the charm here. Stay. Okay, now, just kind of drop this on and just kind of want to like tap on things until it comes together and those tabs fit together. Easy, right? So now, let's do some screws. These guys, you can probably just go ahead and tighten them all the way down. And then flip her over, do the bottom ones a little tighter, make sure it's nice and snug. Don't have to be super tight, but just enough. And I've got some little rubber feet on here. I like that to keep it from sliding around. And we throw some encoder knobs on here, and we're done, I think. So that's it. And get that centered up. Piece of cake.